June. What a beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky, beautiful weather. Do some lawn mowing. And I used to say sun's out, guns out. Oh. Definitely ain't wetter than the damn ghost, but beautiful outside, get a nice tan going. Cause I could really use it. Ooh. What are you doing over there, man? What are you doing over there, man? Damn, boy, I tell you what, that grass getting real long, man. You know, really long, going real too fast growing up, you know what I mean? Well, boom, you know what I mean? You could get down, bring on a lawnmower, man. You gotta get, you know, good grass for short, man. You gonna tell you what. Yeah, that's why I'm out here to cut the grass. Hey, be careful with that dang on lawnmower, man. I made some modifications on that thing, man. You gonna go too fast, you go bang, you go boom, you know, I'm gonna bite like a spang. You know, man, you go too fast, man. Aha. Right. Hey, man, you gotta be careful with that dang on engine, man. You gotta let it sputter like that. You gotta give it some love, you know what I mean? You gotta give it some love there, man. I can't hear you. I'm too busy turning up the motor. Hey, bro, I won't be doing that fast by you. I mean, you can go way too fast, man. You gonna fly out, you can go hit the sky, man. Go hit the smile or something. You push it on much, man. Oh, nearly. Ah! Ah! Hang on, man, I'm coming. Hang on, man. Go back to Jet 4, man. Ah! Ah! Boomhauer! Boomhauer, you! Hey, Boomhauer, light! Come here, help me! Hey, you hang on, man. I'm gonna call some help, man. Get your help, man. Get off the damn over. You know I'm on, man. Hang on. Mama! Mama! Hey, man, you not gonna get on down here, man. He going too fast on the dang old lawnmower, man. He going fast in there, or he wasn't going freaking that. It takes on about higher, man. Oh, shit!
I'm sorry, sir. Can you repeat that, please?
Man, I said he going too fast on the dang old lawnmower, man. He can't get out the damn thing. He going like a V8, man. He going way too fast, man. He going faster than the old Jet 4, man. He going win the damn old any of that fat higher, man. You gotta get on down here and get the cops here, get some big straight down there, man. Go stop this man. Shut.
Sir, you're gonna have to talk slower. I cannot understand you. Now, what is the problem?
Dang old man stuck on lawnmower. He going fast and they jump behind him. Get Gordon. Don't beat him. Miracle. Stop! I swear we ain't gonna hit the damn brakes, man. Hit the damn brakes. Oh, what I think of that beforehand? Oh dear. Oh. Hey. Why don't you cut the grass? Yeah. You do it. Oh my God.